What's up, guys? I don't know if you heard the announcement today, but Russell just dropped some value bombs for ClickFunnels' 5-year birthday. Um, Basically, you can log into your dashboard right now, and you'll see off to the right of your dashboard, there's a new section over here for FunnelFlix. It's basically Netlfix for entrepreneurs. It's got tons of courses. There's like $60,000 worth of courses in there. Um, and that's for the ClickFunnels Platinum plan, which is taking over ActionEdX MD, the $297 a month plan. So if you're on the $297 a month plan, you have access to all of this right now. But what's cool is even on the $97 a month plan, you get access to quite a bit of training in here. So if you check out this quick start training, these are all the 30-day interviews, which were previously inside of the One Funnel Away Challenge. And this was one of the best bonuses, I think, inside of OFA. So that's awesome that everybody gets access to that now. Basically, they found that people who took the One Funnel Away Challenge have a lot more success and stay with ClickFunnels. They made an announcement that they're going to be focusing 100% on improving the funnel builder and the funnel editor. They're going to be scaling back, trying to create these other apps to integrate, and they're going to focus on being the category king for funnel building, which they are, and they're just going to keep improving. They're going to go after partnerships with other category kings, like the email marketing category kings, chatbots, stuff like that. I'm hoping to see ManyChat, Active Campaign, First Promoter, stuff like that they can partner with that are already crushing it, and they'll just focus on improving the editor, getting page speed faster, and stuff like that. So it's super exciting. They dropped the affiliate bootcamp videos in here as well. This is a $97 a month plan. You can get access to these right now. So you can learn, SEO, copywriting, YouTube, automation. Everything you need to start is in here. Paid ads, Facebook. So just awesome. They got FunnelHacker TV in here you can check out. This is family friendly. You can just, FunnelFlix and chill. They got all the 10x secret stuff. Funnel Builder Secrets is in here. Just awesome content, guys. They got Tony Robbins content, money mindset, product secrets. Check out your dashboard, guys. If you haven't started yet, I'm going to drop a link. You can start your free trial. And you start out on this platinum tier, so you'll have access to all this stuff for 14 days, risk-free. You can cancel anytime, and you can downgrade anytime. So if you want to check this stuff out for 2 weeks and then switch back to the $97 a month plan, just go into your account settings and downgrade. And if you didn't check the announcement on Russell's Facebook Live, I'm going to drop the link to that whole YouTube video. So he put that on YouTube. You can watch him talking about the future of ClickFunnels. There's a couple more announcements coming up. The first one's going to be at Funnel Hacking Live. And then the next one's going to be on his birthday. So kind of excited to see those. Might see some of those partnerships popping up. But I'm going to dig into some of this stuff, guys. I want you to go ahead and check it out too. And also, they have some new forums. So the ClickFunnels community, on their Facebook page, everybody is helping out all the time in there. But you also get some people that are like coming in there, stirring up drama, talking about how ClickFunnels is this and that. Well, this is going to be only for members. So all the funnel hackers are going to hang out in here. You can see this is brand new, just launched today. So come check me out in the forums. Otherwise, I'll see you guys out there.